To replace an upper dish rack roller in this KitchenAid dishwasher, you will need a small flathead screwdriver and a T10 Torx bit. Pull out the upper dish rack, then open the front rack stops and fully remove the dish rack. Now insert the small flathead screwdriver into the appropriate slot in the rack adjuster assembly to depress the tab to release the rack adjuster clip. Use the T10 Torx bit to unthread the mounting screw to release the old roller, if still intact. To install the new upper dish rack roller, align it on the adjuster and thread the mounting screw to secure. Confirm the roller spins freely, then realign the adjuster clip on the inside of the adjuster and snap it into place. You can now align the upper rack rollers on the rails, slide the rack in, and close the front rack stops.